Hello everyone, Andy here. Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to do a very exciting unboxing from MoYu. So huge thanks to MoYu for sending this puzzle to me. So let's get into it. Alright, so here's the box. I think this is the same size as the 2020. So 2020 was in blue, I remember, and 2021 comes in red. So pretty cool. And why the logo is never mind. And so we got a pamphlet, MoYu card, some accessory, something similar. Okay, so nothing special, very typical. And here we got the classic MoYu accessory box, but this time we got some updates on the screwdriver. Okay, let's take a look. I hope I didn't mess it up. So this is the new screwdriver from MoYu. Wow. And what is this? So what is this? I don't know. Anyways, let's get into the cube. And okay, this logo, what happened to this logo? I don't like this logo. Okay, it feels alright. So I have the WRM2020 with me. It wasn't bad, but it doesn't suit me at all. So I want to see how the WRM2021 goes. It feels something similar weight to the 2020. I'm not sure, but the mana strength is pretty interesting. I would like to see how does it change the settings. So let's get into the first turn. Oh my god. This is so cool. Alright. Same settings, same MoYu moment of the spring compression. This is probably a 0. I'm going to change that later. But it's just an unboxing, so I'm just talking about the first feeling that the cube brings. So it feels like a GTS 2M, the 2017 product, GTS 2M, but also similar to the WRM2020. So it's kind of like GTS 2 or GTS in 2016, and with the WRM2020 feeling. So this is a mixture of the previous MoYu flagships. It turns out alright for me right now. The setting is definitely not suitable for me, so I have to adjust it later. And for the mana strength, I'm not sure if you could see this because the lighting is not good. I will go over that in my review video, so you don't have to worry about that. I think you have to use the screwdriver. I'm not sure. do I need to? Okay, this is a very big brain. So here's the tools to adjust the magnets. Let's try it out. There are 4 things to adjust. I'm not sure what are the differences between these 4, but yeah, I'm sure this head is for adjusting the magnet strength. Let's try that out. Its setting is 1 right now here, so I'm trying to go for 2 or something upper. So I heard that the upper the level is, the weaker the magnets are. Yeah, I adjusted. So it's 5 right now. One more to back to 1. So you can see it adjusts the levels. You can see it is much deeper than what a 1 should be. So 5 goes very downward. And back to 1, and the magnets are back. So this is a very funny spring compression level in magnet system, which is pretty insane. So I think these 4 are the same. If I know what differences between these are, I will let you know in my review video, but I think they are similar. They are the same, maybe just for replacement. Anyways, yeah, changing the magnets could suit someone who enjoy using it as one-handed. Yeah, good for S slices too. So that's about it. I'm sure that it has a very high potential after setting up and plugging in, but I will see how this goes. So if you have any questions about this cube that you want to know, please let me know in the comment section. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.